Hey everybody, it's Juanita McDowell, and today I want to show you how to use your iPad like a computer. That's right. I'm going to be showing you this mouse and how it Bluetooths to your iPad. So you now have the portability of using your iPad all over the house and no more copying and pasting where you got to put your finger there and stretch it out and okay, get rid of that. No, you're going to have the freedom now to really get that novel written or articles or anything else you want, that using a mouse just makes your life easier. So let's go. Okay, this whole get up is going to cost you about maybe $60, $75, depending on what you already have. I know I already had a keyboard, but I wanted to purchase another one that was more typewriter-like. And I found this one. It's the Fintie keyboard, really slick. It's got a keyboard that is more like a typewriter. I think they call it scissor keys. It also has a magnetic casing, and you can see that's why it took me a minute to pick it up. But take a look at it. You can see where the keys are upraised. And for the price, $32, it was worth its weight in gold, let me tell you. So you definitely need a keyboard, but don't buy one. If you already have one you like, then just use that one. This one, though, is Bluetooth and wireless and just slick. The interior is nice and smooth, and the exterior is very durable, so that's why I like it. Now, the next thing you're going to need is the mouse. All right, so let's talk about that. This is the one that I have. It is the Logitech MX Master 2S, and they now have the 3S out. So the price difference is going to be about $30, $35. So just tell you the truth, the 2S does a great job. If you want to get the latest and greatest, definitely get the 3S. I have links below for this mouse, but it's really, really cool. Again, the ease of being able to use my mouse while I'm on an iPad is just superb. Let's go. I want to show you, I'm going to mirror my iPad to my computer so you can actually see me working with it a little bit better. So you can see my mouse, a little movement there. Let's open Word. So I can select text, just give it a swipe with my mouse. And I can do, all the things you can if you are touching your hand, but just seems to, you're able to move a little bit easier. Let's select green. There we go. Let's say 2-day tour. Let's go ahead and let's cut that. So we select and cut. So I can undo that. But you can go out, open an app with the mouse. So here's the App Store. Open that up. Go to text, this search box. Go to settings. You can open that up. And really move around so much easier. Go to search. But yeah, it's a great little mouse. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.